This video documents the installation of the Dohanest wireless rear view camera on a living quarters horse trailer. Many RVs come with a pre-wired mount for a rear view camera. My horse trailer did not. The kit comes with a 7-inch monitor to mount in the truck. It plugs into a 12-volt outlet. To test the equipment, a patch cable is provided. I was able to verify that the equipment is in working order. The monitor is connected to the camera with a Bluetooth signal. There are no wires to the camera, so it can be mounted wherever desired. The camera's only requirement is a 12-volt power source. The kit came with mounting plates to attach it to a pre-wired Furrion mount. I did not have this mount. I intended to attach the camera to the rear of the trailer. The electricity had to come from a wire serving the taillights or the light over the license plate. All of the screws attaching the lights were steel and completely frozen into the aluminum. I had to drill the heads off the screws to remove the light and twist off the screw shanks with the vice grip pliers. The red wire from the camera is attached to the wire feeding the license plate light, and the black wire is grounded to the trailer. I made a gasket to go under the mounting bracket. This gasket covers the hole which I drilled to allow me to recess the wires. With this installation, the camera works when the running lights are on and the monitor is turned on. It also has night vision. The camera has a nice, clear, high-definition picture, a very nice addition to the trailer. If you found this video to be interesting or informative, please hit the like button and subscribe. It's all free. Thank you for watching.